Hi everybody, welcome to today's assembly, and for today's assembly we're going to be learning all about World Book Day. Now World Book Day is an event that celebrates everything to do with reading, and it's a lovely event to celebrate as a school. Now the official date of World Book Day is on Thursday of this week, the 4th of March, but at Oatlands, we're going to celebrate as a whole school when everybody's back together as a community, and it will be on the Thursday, 11th of March. But today we're going to have our assembly. We're going to learn all about what World Book Day means because it's the week this week, the official week. We're going to learn about the why we have it and what kind of things we do to celebrate the week, and that will give you lots of preparation for you to have a think about what you might like to do, if you want to dress up as a character. Gives you lots of information about that, ready for your big celebration back in school on Thursday, the 11th of March. So I'm going to go through the slides with you as usual, and we'll share together all the different things that we know about World Book Day. So have lots of fun preparing, and I hope today's information gives you a bit of a head start. Okay, we'll speak through the slides and see what we can find out. Welcome to our World Book Day Assembly. Do you love reading? Get ready because World Book Day is on its way. The first World Book Day was in 1995, and World Book Day is a celebration of authors, that's people who write books, illustrators, they're the artists who draw the pictures for the books, and there could be funny, scary, true stories, poetry, jokes, non-fiction, and much, much more. But most importantly, it's a celebration of readers just like you. You may be thinking, do other countries celebrate World Book Day? Well, it's not just celebrated in Britain. Over 100 different countries also celebrate World Book Day. These countries include Ireland, Spain, Sweden, and the United States of America. So, when is World Book Day? The date for World Book Day changes every year, but it is always celebrated on the first Thursday in March. People do lots of different things to celebrate World Book Day. And what kind of things could you do at school? Could you have a readathon where you all share a book together in class? Could you pick your favourite author and write something about them? Could you draw a picture of your favourite book cover? What kind of things could you do at home? You could do all of those things that we've just mentioned in school as well. So World Book Day, this Thursday, the 4th of March. Okay, so when is World Book Day? The date for World Book Day changes every year, but officially it's always celebrated on the first Thursday in March. That's this Thursday, the 4th. But remember, at Oatlands, as a school community, we are going to celebrate on Thursday, 11th of March, when everybody returns to school. In the meantime, what kind of things do you think you could do to celebrate World Book Day? Could you do things in school and could you do things at home? You might like to read a book together with your family. You might like to paint a picture. You might like to think about what costume you're going to wear. How could you celebrate World Book Day? Well, you could hold a sponsored read and raise money for charity. That's one of the things that people do where you maybe read a book and ask grandma or granddad or your other members of your family if they could maybe give a donation to charity if you actually read the book. That may be something you'd like to do, but the best thing is just to enjoy reading your book. How could you celebrate on World Book Day? Well, one of the ideas is that you could have a costume parade where you dress up as characters from your favourite books and have a little parade in your classroom. Show each other the children that you are wearing what kind of outfit and which book it comes from. And you could also do that at home. You could take a photograph and send it to your family and show them that you are dressed up as Captain Hook or Angelina Ballerina, whichever character you choose. But dressing up is something that we usually do on Thursday on the Book Day Parade. There's lots of other things that you could do to celebrate World Book Day. Why not have a go at designing a book cover? It could be a book that's written by you and you can choose your illustration in the middle. Or it could be that you want to have a look at one of your favourite books and try to draw that cover too. You might like to make a poster advertising a book, or a really nice thing to do is to make a bookmark which you can use to keep your page safe for next time you choose to read the book. You might like to do some bunting. They're the little coloured flags that are above the boy's head in the picture, and they could be hung in your room or in class or wherever you choose to do it. But there's lots of lovely craft ideas you could do for World Book Day. Sharing a story together is a perfect way to celebrate World Book Day. You could share a story for 10 minutes each day throughout the whole of the week, and perhaps you could try to keep it up for the whole of the month or even longer, the whole of this year. Share a story with your family, share a story with your friend. You could do that by Zoom, or you could do that by talking in the garden to one of your families, have a nice sit out in the sunshine. Lots of different things to do for World Book Day where you could share a story. Why don't you have a go? Can you guess the character and the book from the clues below? So the first clue is, some might say I'm a little crazy. Clue number 2, where I live is wonderful. Clue number 3, I like to host parties. And clue number 4, I'm friends with a dormouse and a hare. Ooh, I wonder if you can guess what that is. And it was the Mad Hatter from Alice's Adventures in Wonderland. Well done if you got that one. Okay, so we've got another Can You Guess the Character and Book here. So the first clue is, I like to eat tractors and diggers. Clue number 2, I am very large. Clue number 3, I have a friend called Hogarth. Oh, I wonder if any of you is getting this one. And clue number 4, I took on the Space Bat Angel Dragon. And the answer was Iron Man from the Iron Man. Well done if you got that one as well. Okay, so let's have some Your World Book Day challenges. So could you design a new cover for your favourite book? Maybe hold a competition to guess how many books there are in your school library or at home. You can also write a review of your favourite book. Or maybe you'd like to design a poster to celebrate World Book Day. You could do that at home or you could do that in your classroom. And why not make a list of different activities you would like to do to celebrate World Book Day? I wonder who could make the longest list. Just have a go and enjoy it. Well, children, we've come to the end of another assembly this week, and that was a really interesting one about World Book Day. Lots of facts for us to learn and lots of good ideas for activities that we could do to celebrate World Book Day. If you can read a book, that is one of the greatest pleasures you'll ever have, whether you're a child or an adult. It's a really good skill to have, and it's lots of fun. So do enjoy your World Book Day, and if you choose to dress up on Thursday, I'm sure you'll have a lovely time choosing your costume. So thanks for sharing the assembly with me once again, and I'll see you very soon. Bye for now. Well, children, we've come to the end of our preparation for book day, and I hope you found some really interesting information there, lots of useful things for you to have a go at. You might like to start your preparation this week if you're still at home, have a little look at some crafts that you might like to make. And you've also got lots of time now to think about your outfit that you'd like to wear on Thursday, the 11th of March. I'm sure all the staff will be dressing up too, and it'll be a real fun day, a real good welcome back for the whole community back to Oatlands. So have good fun. Remember, reading a book is an absolutely wonderful gift. It's something that you could have the pleasure of when you're a child or you're an adult. It's a lovely gift and a lovely skill to have. So enjoy your World Book Day, enjoy all the different characters and the different things that you're going to be learning about. And I'm sure it'll be a great event for everybody. So thanks for sharing the assembly with me this week once again, and I look forward to another assembly with you very soon. So take care everybody, bye for now.